And welcome to this video teardown of the Lenovo 100E 2nd Gen MTK edition. These Chromebooks are actually becoming my favorite Chromebook next to the 14E from Lenovo. They're fairly durable. They do have a headphone audio port right there, as well as an HDMI port, which is slowly disappearing in favor of another USB-C port. Now, these are fairly easy to tear down. All you have are 9 screws on the back here, and I'm using a 2.5 from my iFixit toolkit. Next, we're going to pry open the keyboard, and this is how you would do a normal keyboard replacement. Now, if we open this up, we will undo this latch here and undo this latch here. And now we have our keyboard taken off. And we can see the motherboard itself here is very reminiscent to the 300E motherboard. That's a little concerning to me. The issue I found with the 300E is if this accidentally turns on, if you don't unplug your battery, when you plug in a new screen, you can actually cause your one of these chips here to fry. So keep that in mind when you're doing any replacements of this. Right there, here's our Wi-Fi card. So these do not have swappable Wi-Fi cards, meaning that if this ever dies, you're gonna have to replace the whole motherboard. You can see cable goes white, then black. Fairly simplistic device here. Nothing too hard when it comes to doing a full swap. Let's just try. Okay, so unlike the 14E, this piece is glued. This is very reminiscent to how the old N23s were, with the screen being screwed in place. You can probably, in fact, use old N23 screens on this for a replacement. If you're having to do a wiring cable swap or the harness swap for here, you're going to have to replace this part down here and this. I mean, this is a pretty standard setup, pretty easy to diagnose any issues. Most of the time, replacing the motherboard is going to be your safest bet if you're unsure what is actually wrong. I mean, unless the screen is completely cracked and it's obvious. I'm going to see full motherboard replacements probably being the major killer of these within the next 3 years, I would say. If there's anything else you would like to see or any other repairs you'd like to know how to do on these 100E 2nd Gens, let me know in that comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button. Definitely helps out the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.